does this, in effect, open the floodgates to the Emergencies Act being used by a decision by the executive in all kinds of circumstances?
The law is on the books to assist in dealing with national emergencies. And the determination was made by the governor and council, by the professional public service, that the thresholds were met and that this was necessary. And regardless of any setting of precedents, I think it would be a worse thing for me to say, even though the thresholds have been met, even though it is needed and necessary, we're not going to do it because someone might abuse it or overuse it in the years to come.
While the protests may have gotten, can we say, out of hand or snowballed and been extremely disruptive, they weren't the actions of a small minority, but a real expression of frustration, a legitimate frustration on behalf of a significant number of Canadians who had been through, either suffered from or felt aggrieved by years of public health measures. And in response to that, they wanted to engage and they wanted you to speak to them and they wanted to hear directly from their federal government, and that did not happen. So do you have an answer to that?
They had political parties in the previous election very much carrying those messages and presenting them to Canadians as part of the options that Canadians had to choose in that previous election. So people were well aware of the opinions and concerns and perspective of those individuals. But it was clear that it wasn't that they just wanted to be heard. They wanted to be obeyed. They wanted us to change public policy, public health policy designed to help Canadians, and we're going to occupy locations across this country and interfere with the lives of Canadians until such a decision was taken. I am very aware that expressing concern and disagreement around positions of public policy is the right and is to be encouraged by any Canadian who wants to. But the occupation and destabilization of and disruption of the lives of so many Canadians and refusal to maintain a lawful protest is not all right.